Now this is a good monsoon rain we have on July 19th. I'm sure the horses are enjoying getting a nice cool bath out there after all the heat we've been having. Except for Knickers, he's a big sissy. He's hiding in the shed. God, it's raining so hard you can't even see anything. Oh, now the horses are running. Holy smokes. We got 1.25 inches of rain in less than an hour. We only get 8 inches a year, so that's quite a bit. I was down here a few minutes ago and Knickers was really acting up. Are you going to do anything now, huh, buddy? It's not really dinner time quite yet. Nicky, Nicky. What's Nicky want? Nicky says you better feed me. You better feed me. Hi, buddy. Go play, Scouty. Everybody got a bath, huh? Oh, nice and clean. Ha. Hi, Cola. Hi, Cola. I don't have anything, baby. No cookies. I don't have no cookies. No cookies. No cookies. No cookies. Hi, Rusty. Hi, Rusty. He's a good boy. You're all dirty. You're all dirty. I hope my neighbor's target shooting and not killing his wife or something. There's a lot of gunshots going on here. Hi, Renee. What you doing, burritos? Come on, Florencia. Come here, baby. Hi, baby. She's a good girl, huh? She says, I am so nosy. Yes, she is. And brave. And nosy. She's a good girl. She's almost shed out. You can't brush these burrows because the hair doesn't come out until it's ready to. I was pulling on it and it still doesn't come out. You're so pretty. Oh, Julio's beating up his poor mother. He's a brat, isn't he? Julio is a brat. What do you want, Rusty? Huh? I don't have anything, buddy. Everybody's wondering where dinner is. I came down here early to trim some feet, not to feed you guys. Here he comes, sneaking around.